What is ChatGPT? In this video, I'll show you what is ChatGPT, how to use it, and why it's so special. The link for ChatGPT will be given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now. What is ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an writing AI provided by OpenAI. When it comes to ChatGPT, it works in a conversational way where we will be able to ask any questions, follow up questions. It will admit its mistakes and even reject inappropriate requests. Once you sign up for ChatGPT, so we have some examples given. You just have to type in whatever you want to type right here. If you want to write anything, you will just type here and ChatGPT will give you an answer. We have new chat option given here. Then we have dark mode and light mode is also available. So in example, we have explain quantum computing in simple terms, or get creative ideas, or how to actually write a JavaScript. So if you are looking to write an essay, a script, you can use GPT. If you want to solve your maths problem, you can use GPT, and you can even write codes with this AI. So I will ask it a very simple question: what is JavaScript? And here we have our answer. You can see ChatGPT gave me a very easy answer, and now I will be able to understand it better. So what I will do is I will just give it a command such as write a hello world code. Keep in mind that ChatGPT gives you an answer according to the conversation that you are having, and it is just like talking to a very intelligent person or a very intelligent assistant who knows everything. So you will be able to write and generate anything you want. So I'm writing a code right now for hello world in JavaScript, and you can see it gave me the code, and it also showed me how to run this code within my JavaScript. So this is actually pretty impressive. I want to write a promotional tweet, or I want to actually write a video description. I'm gonna give it a command to write a YouTube video description. And here we have our answer. I asked my AI to write a YouTube video description for the topic what is ChatGPT, and it gave me video description right here. Now, if you want to do some changes to the answer, you can actually generate another response, or you can give another command such as write 5 to 10 lines. I wanted like just 5 to 10 lines. So what I did is I asked it to write the lines for me, and now it's doing that for me. We can regenerate the response from here. We can also give it a thumbs up or thumbs down. Using ChatGPT is really easy, and you will be able to write anything you want. The link for ChatGPT is given in the description down below. You can go ahead and check it out right now. The other videos on ChatGPT are also mentioned below. You will be able to find the link and check them out.